Happy 4th of July, everyone. Thank you for opening the email. I am excited for today. I love the 4th of July. A few things that we are doing. We are going camping, going on the side-by-sides, lots of barbecues, getting in the water. Anyway, we love to do that stuff, so hopefully you guys enjoy your day. I can't wait to hear what you guys do for the 4th. But what Independence Day means to me is the freedom to worship, the freedom to be and live the way we want, be with family. You know, the celebration today is everything that America is. It's freedom, it's family and service, all of that. It's mind-blowing to me, actually. Today we give thanks. That's another reason I love this day is, you know, we need to be thankful for all of this and our freedoms and independence and all of that. I mean, to the servicemen and women who sacrifice everything to allow us to continue to be the land of the free and home of the brave. Whoa, I'm gonna get emotional. And to all of the families that give up their family members. So I was in 6th grade, I'm so sorry, when my dad got deployed. And that is hard for these kids to see their moms, their dads, or, you know, someone, a relative that's close to them, leave them. And they are doing this for all of us. And I am so thankful for that. And that's why I love this day. You know, that affected me a long time ago, and it still obviously brings feelings. So, oh, sorry. I'm thankful for all of them, and I hope that if you guys see anyone or know anyone, that you thank them for their service and their families and their children that stay home without them. I am sorry to get emotional, but it is a very special day. And I hope you guys, while you're out doing your fun things like we're going to be doing, that we remember why we're celebrating. Yes, it's to be with family, but we have independence to be with our families. And that we need to be thankful for that and thank everyone for doing that for us. Now, this is my first video in my lifestyle series of videos that we are going to be posting every Saturday on the email. So, you know, stay tuned. I'm really wanting to share my family with you and fun things that I do. And I just want us to become closer that way and, you know, see fun things that you do. So anyway, thanks again. You guys, I would love for you to be, you know, share this so people can get on my email list. These videos will go to my email list. So yeah, make sure you please like, share, and subscribe, and click on the link to get on my email list. And I hope everybody is safe. Enjoy it. I pray you have fun, safe trips. Anyway, comment below what you're doing for the weekend or the day, whatever it is, or what you're thankful for this day. So you guys, thanks again. I really appreciate you supporting me. You're all amazing, and we will see you next time. See ya.